open up a document here. Let me have a look. Let's try this one and show you what you can do with this software. Now what we've got here is a template that I'm working on right now that is for the 48-hour affiliate action plan, which I think is an excellent action plan. It was basically a template set up that I can just edit any way I want to. So it's very much like a word processing program. I'm just going to move this up here so that you can see. You see here you can make, I'm going to do this for you so you can just see. You can make the font smaller or you can make it larger. At the moment it's bold, but you can take it off and make it italics if you want to. In here, you can't see it at the moment, but there's a video in here. And if I go back down the page, let's move that down so you can see again, down to here, you'll be able to see here we've got a button called source, and that takes you into the back end where the code is, where the HTML code is. And I'm just looking down here and you can see here there's the YouTube information for us to pop the video in. And we'll just go back to normal now. We'll go back to preview so you can see what it'll look like. You don't actually see your videos until you're actually live in the page, so it can be a little nerve-wracking knowing if it worked or not. But if that's the worst that happens, we've really got not much to worry about. So you can see down here that we've got red text there and black text here. Up the top there is a tool. You can see here you get to choose all sorts of colors and change the colors. The center, left and right, tab, all of those things are very much like a word processor. So if you're able to use a word processor, then you're not going to find too much trouble with this. And when you're done, you just save it. I've put a PayPal button in there because this is a paid product and a very reasonably priced product, even if I do say so myself. And so this is the beginning of my next product to go into my marketing. The template that I gave to you is much simpler than this, but you could turn it into something as simple or as complex as you want. You just highlight it and you hit Control X and it's gone. And you hit Control V and it's back again. So you could copy, paste, right click, all the things that you do with a word processing document. You can add images. There's an image button at the top. You just choose a file. So let's choose a file. We'll pop the cover in there and I'll just write some alt text and hit enter. There it is. Once again, if that's not where you want it, you can just move it. If you're wanting to center it, you just center it by clicking the center button. And that is as easy as it is. Now, I like that so much that, except that it's a little bit big, so I'm just going to go to image properties and dimensions and custom size, and let's make it 156 and hit OK. There we are. It's so nice that I'm going to leave it in. So there you are. That's as easy as it is to use Envu, and I'll just save that now. That's as easy as it is to use Envu to edit the template that I've given you. Yes, the one you've got doesn't look exactly like this, but you can make it look like anything you like. Alright, good luck, and I'll talk to you again in a few days. Bye.